Welcome to pneumatics. Today I am going to give a small presentation about the pneumatic pressure switch, overhauling, calibration, and testing procedure. There are two types of the pneumatic panels in the locomotive G9. One is Norbrims and other one is the Fevli. This is the models of the Norbrims and Fevli pressure switches. And this is the Norbrims pneumatic panel having a 7 numbers of the pressure switches in the panel, which are FPPS, PBPS, BCPS, IBSPS, PAN-SPS, Pento 1 and Pento 2 pressure switches are having in the panel, and 4 of low MR, RGCP, BC1 and BC2 is just beside of the panel. There was a wall. It was located on at the wall. And these are the coupler connections. And this is the Fevli pneumatic panel having a 9 pressure switches in the panel. Those are 44, 60, 34, 32, 59, 26, 69, 91 and 92. These 9 are placed in the pneumatic panel, and 4 of low MR, RGCP, BC1, BC2 is just placed at the wall beside of the panel. And these are the calibration pressure settings chart of the Norbrims and Fevli. And this is the overhauling procedure of the pressure switch. First you can remove the base part of the pressure switch. Remove the diaphragm. Remove the 4 sides of the screws with the help of star screwdriver. Remove all parts of the pressure switch and cleaning with the fresh cloth, and find the bellow condition whether it is good or in punctured condition. If there is any bad condition, remove the bellow and use some other serviceable bellow instead of this. It was not in good condition. So here it is a serviceable bellow. Then we can remove the diaphragm gasket. Check it thoroughly whether it is in good or in damaged condition. It is not in good condition. Remove it and take it a serviceable gasket. Using the white silica gel, apply to the gasket and fixing into the diaphragm groove. This is lock nut. Press clockwise is decreasing the differential value. Press anti-clockwise is increasing the differential value of the pressure switch. Without pressing, clockwise is increasing, anti-clockwise is decreasing. This is the way of wheel settings, and we can find the physical condition of the pressure switch electrical conditions which are good or not. Pressure we can measure kg by cm square. This is the master gauge. We can find the pressure settings with the help of master gauge. After the testing, we can put a paint mark at the lock nut. Some more pictures of the dust catching up inside of the pillows and moisture also. Thank you all.